An unreleased version of the AI model Claude was pointed at the Riemann hypothesis, a math problem from 1859 defining how prime numbers are spread out. It didn't solve the entire puzzle, but it successfully pushed a proven boundary from 41.6% to 67.2%, moving past the best human result. The person running this test used no special techniques. Across 650 failed attempts, his main job was simply sending the AI basic messages of encouragement, mostly variations of keep going and believe in yourself. Claude eventually found a path forward by reading through existing academic papers and noticing how they fit together in a way no one had previously combined, a discovery it made across 2 long sessions and 31 million words of output. The frontier of AI problem-solving has transitioned into a game of persistence. Success now comes from allowing a model to grind through millions of words until it spots a connection humans have missed. That same autonomous behavior has reached the consumer market. Using a $200 app, a person with zero coding experience recently built 12 working AI assistants in a single 8-hour sitting. These agent teams work without constant human input by sharing a cloud computer. They can access the same files, use the same logins, and hand tasks to one another to deliver a finished product. The real-world usage of AI is remarkably decentralized. While headlines focus on giant, multi-trillion parameter systems, 83% of all model downloads are for systems small enough to fit on a laptop. The default starting point for this ecosystem is the Qwen model family from Alibaba. These Chinese open-source models are the foundation for over 150,000 different spin-offs. Control over the industry moved to a decentralized global ecosystem where the building blocks of new software are available to anyone with an internet connection. Because this technology is being embedded in everything we use, we face a problem of scale. If an AI is analyzing your medical records or bank statements, the companies processing that data can theoretically read it. Google is attempting to solve this by making fully homomorphic encryption practical for daily use. They've released an open-source tool called AEIR, designed to let computers process data without ever decrypting it. As you can see in this visualization, the process allows an AI to compute on scrambled information. The model takes in an encrypted data packet, performs its analysis, and hands back a scrambled answer without ever seeing the raw data. This math is currently very slow, so hardware companies are building specialized chips strictly to accelerate these encrypted calculations and close the speed gap. By combining these new chips with open-source software, AI can provide highly personalized analysis while maintaining absolute zero exposure to your original information. AI is engineering its own physical foundation by writing low-level code for these graphics chips. But standard testing is too lenient, allowing silent bugs into our devices. To prevent this, engineers use contract-grade verifiers to mathematically prove the code is safe before use. As artificial intelligence takes over foundational engineering, human oversight is moving away from reading code and toward mathematically proving its safety. These efficiency gains are pulling AI out of massive server farms and pushing it to the edge, meaning it runs locally on small, inexpensive hardware. At the community level, this allows tiny on-device models to bring specialist medical screening to rural clinics that don't have the internet bandwidth to connect to the cloud. But that same cheap, on-device AI also powers a multi-billion-dollar industry tracking vehicles nationwide via street pole cameras. This extreme efficiency simultaneously democratizes vital health services and enables mass physical surveillance, with the exact same technology serving both ends. The companies that started this wave are now struggling to hold on to the people behind it. Meta recently triggered a resignation wave among its engineers, following aggressive team reorganizations. Even large financial retention grants are failing to stop top talent from walking out the door. That talent is flowing away from closed corporate giants and toward the decentralized open-source frontier, where the most active development is taking place. The era of the chatbot is over. Artificial intelligence has scaled down and permanently vanished into the invisible architecture of our daily lives.